Where'd you get that from?
Let me show you. Want
Yeah.
to close there?
Hold the boat.
Hold on, I'll give you the line. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, pull closer.
Do you have a battery operated drill? Like a DeWalt or Old Milwaukee? Or?
Yeah, not with me.
Well, you can buy that horn that's missing off of yours, and you can just screw it in place. The boat stores sell the horn.
Yeah,
Try to pull the boat in, just tie it.
Just squeeze it off. Hold on. Michelle, I got it. Let it go. I'll squeeze it off.
Beautiful knot.
Huh?
Beautiful knot.
Got it? Right? Been working on it.
I hope nobody's sleeping.
Well, it's after 8 o'clock, so it's okay.
Good job.
Just in case.
Just in case.
Black tube.
Oh, okay, so in case one jumped over. So you can see the purpose of the nails to keep the ropes from sliding down the piling. That piling's got nails. That piling's got a factory installed horn.